Fajr Salah. Let us see what is the condition of our masajid. We have children 14, 15, 16, 20 years old. And we are scared to wake them up. We are shy to tell them that let's wake up, go to the masjid for salah. Where is the commandment of Allah gone? And then we call ourselves those that do not ascribe any partners with Allah. We have ascribed ourselves as a partner with Allah. Na'udhu billah. Why? Because Allah is telling us one thing and our nafs is telling us something else. We'll be like, let's follow our nafs. Who cares what Allah is saying? Na'udhu billah. That's the attitude we are showing. And then we expect blessings from Allah, we expect mercy from Allah. When a nation does not follow what Allah and Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam is saying, how can we expect the mercy of Allah be directed to that nation? Then we complain that the entire ummah is in chaos. The entire ummah is suffering. We are the causes of that suffering. Because we are the ones who are chasing that mercy of Allah away. It comes in a hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a person who misses one salah, him and his household is deprived from blessings for 40 days. We are depriving ourselves of blessings for 40 days by missing one salah. And then we're running behind employment, and we're running behind business, and we're running behind, there's no barakah, there's no time, there's no this, there's no... Give Allah the time, give some time to Allah, and Allah will make ample time for you. And let us start with the morning, my dear respected elders and brothers. Fajr Salah. Let us fix our deen. The most important aspect of our life is our deen. Everything else is fake. Go and visit the graveyards and see all the kings and all the princes and all the princesses. They are all laying there. Those that used to go and get their clothes sewn specially to this country and that country. Those that used to build their homes and they used to take 10, 20 years to build their palaces. Where are they today? So let us bring deen into our lives, and deen will only come when we fix our morning Fajr Salah. Fix our Fajr Salah, Zohar Salah, Asr. And thereafter fix your Salah, and then see how everything else will unfold into your life.